everybody, welcome to my channel, and I'm back with another recipe that you guys just have to try. So here are our ingredients. So we're going to be using plantains, tomato sauce, basil, eggs, onion, garlic, and goat cheese. So now let's get to it. So we're going to start by dicing our plantains. And now we are going to roughly chop our onions. We're going to be using a large one because we're going to be making a lot of tomato sauce. So we're going to use chop our one large onion. And now we're also going to chop our garlic. I forgot to add that part. And then we're going to go ahead and chop our basil. So now we're going to heat oil in a large pot enough to deep fry our plantains. We're going to fry our plantains until it is golden brown, like until it achieves that beautiful color that we love. Now we're going to heat our butter on medium heat in our pot just until our butter melts. Now we're going to add our chopped onions, just our chopped onions. We're not going to add our garlic yet because we don't want it to burn. So we're just going to add our onions and let it soften a little bit. We're going to add our garlic. Oh my god, it already smells so good in here. We're going to add our garlic and we're just gonna let this cook down a little bit more. Now we're going to add our pepper flakes, paprika, and our salt, and we're just gonna stir this properly. Make sure everything all cooks together with the onion and the garlic, and make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. And now we're just gonna let it cook for a little while. Now we're going to add our tomato sauce into the pot. After we let our chili just cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, we're gonna add our tomato sauce and our sugar, just so we can cook out the tartness from the tomatoes, and as well as we're gonna add our chicken stock. Properly stir this out, make sure everything is all properly mixed together, and then let it cook on low heat, medium low heat, for about 8 to 10 minutes. In between that, occasionally stir it just to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. And we're just gonna let this cook out and get out the tartness from the tomatoes. Now we're going to add our bouillon powder as well as our plantains. We're going to properly stir it and let it cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes so the plantain can soak up all the delicious tomato sauce in it. So just cover it on cook on medium low for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now we're going to use our spoon and create like a little hole, and then add our eggs in it. And then just add our basil. After we add the eggs, just sprinkle it on the top and cover it and let the steam cook the eggs, and we do this on medium low heat. And and voila, look at how beautiful this looks, and it was just amazing. I ended up adding my goat cheese off camera, and it was just the perfect balance with the tomato sauce and the plantains. I had this with grilled baguette. It is just the perfect brunch meal that you can have. Trust me guys, try this and let me know what you think in the comment below. You would definitely love it. So thank you guys for watching my video again. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. Bye.